What is up, boys? Today I'm doing a restoration on these Nike Air Max 95s. What is up, boys? Welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, these 95s aren't really as white or as clean as they used to be. There's a lot of brown, a lot of yellow. Probably the most noticeable wear on these shoes is definitely on the toe. The Nike Air is kind of faded. Yeah, just a lot of general just dirtiness. So the goal for this video is to just get them as clean and as white as possible. And we're definitely gonna need some help from our Crep Protect Cure Kit. The thing is though, even though these are pretty freaking dirty, I don't think this is enough of a challenge for us. So we're gonna take these outside and dirty them up a little bit more. So I found some fertilizer. Get all up in there, baby. Yep. So how about the sprinkle too? You gotta sprinkle it for the boys. Hey Dudley, I'm just destroying these Air Maxes real quick. You gotta cake it in mulch. That's the secret ingredient. Yeah. Leave them overnight. This should be good to go. This works out pretty well because I've been meaning to rake the leaves, so let's rake the leaves for the boys. If you're an OG, you'll appreciate this. Yeah, that's right. That's where you belong. Freaking trash. All right, boys. Now I think we have a restoration on our hands. The first thing you want to do is fill up a small bowl with some hot water. Next, I definitely suggest you lay down some napkins. Now let's take out the laces and insoles. Now we're gonna use our brush from our Crep Protect kit to dust off any mulch or dirt particles we have. Alright, boys, so now what we're gonna do is take our brush, dip it in our water. Yeah. And then we just wanna squirt a couple drops of the solution onto the brush. Let's get cleaning. So one of the main problems with this shoe is that there's a lot of missing paint, little scratches and blemishes, all that stuff. So right now we're just gonna try and get the paint job back to normal. Next, we're gonna clean the laces and insoles. All right, boys, everything's good to go. So let's put the insole and the laces back in. Check out the before and after. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Honestly, restoring these wasn't that bad, but I definitely did have a lot of help from the Crepitech Cure Kit. The hardest part was just painting around the little air bubbles and everything, because that can be a little tricky. And not gonna lie, the last time I did a restoration was probably about 2 months ago, given I was a little rusty. Also gotta give a shout out to George Yola, aka Buy Monkeys. Thanks for letting me restore these, bud. You're welcome. That's about it for today, boys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're new, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified when I post videos. But anyways, this is Cash Corp signing off. Bye, boys.